Have you ever found yourself accidentally, yet intentionally, networking it? Or been hoping for answers to come that would free you? I was in a desperate time of need. That is where I was at when a professional organizing job with a realtor led me to the next best thing. Get comfy because I've got a really fun story that will have you in awe and bring you hope. If you're looking for an essential emotions breakthrough coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, and/or relationships, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. My coaching can help individuals become more self-reliant in various aspects of their lives. This transformation series has answers for you. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my Essential Oils Emotional Reference Guide. I am so excited to share with you today. My name is vanZ. I'm a registered nurse, certified essential emotions coach, and body talk practitioner. I have been involved in the wellness industry, educating and working with thousands of people like you. For 30 plus years, I help people to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant. I've got a really unique and funny story to share with you, and it all starts with a professional organizing job that I was doing with a realtor, Mike. It was a Wednesday morning when I was working with Mike in his real estate office when he slipped in front of me a flyer. It was a flyer for an open house with a special luncheon for realtors at a new home listing. My client Mike said to me, as he slipped the paper under my eyes, "If your schedule allows you to come to this open house, it would be a great networking opportunity for you. It's an open house for realtors, and we'll be providing lunch and a tour of the home. Other realtors are always looking for people to help them get homes ready for market." Fortunately, my schedule was flexible over the lunch hour because I usually left myself a buffer block between jobs, so I took advantage of this invitation. I attended the open house with Mike, and when through with the luncheon, Mike said to me, "Head down the road to Mary Lane. There's an open house where they are doing the dessert portion of the event today at another home. Tell them I sent you and give them your contact info." As I headed towards Mary Lane, I saw an open house sign that was posted on Route 88, and I immediately turned right to head down the road, knowing it was a quiet road lined with seaside houses. Since it was lunchtime on Wednesday in the year 2012, most families were out of their homes, tending to school or work, and this meant lots of empty driveways and dark homes with inactivity. As I headed down Mary Lane, the first few homes appeared empty, but then I suddenly came to a home that had a driveway filled with cars. Can you guess what my brain said? Yep, my brain said, "This must be the open house." I walked myself in through the unlocked door that was off the side of the house and headed towards the kitchen. I spotted a group of ladies chatting and eating cake. And I noticed that one of the ladies had her head cranked, looking at me as if to say, "Who are you? I don't know your face." And my response to her body language was, "I'm a professional organizer and not a realtor. That's why you don't recognize me. Mike sent me here and told me I should introduce myself to all of you." The lady who had cranked her head towards me, her name turned out to be Callie. She said, "Oh, you're at my birthday party. You must be looking for the open house at the end of the cul-de-sac. That's for sale." I apologized and shamefully headed back towards the door I had moments ago entered, thinking I was about to network with all these ladies. As I sheepishly walked away, Callie asked, "Wait, what did you say you were again?" I told her that I was a professional organizer, with which she replied, "Oh, I'm getting my house ready to go on the market, and I'm looking for somebody to help me get it ready. Can I have your business card?" I then thought to myself, "Dear God, please help me out. I have just trespassed by walking into her home uninvited, and now she wants my business card, which at this point in time reads Body Talk Healthcare LLC CBP RN, because I'm going through a rebranding due to adding other services to my practice and have yet to receive my official documents with my new business name and updated credentials. I said a little prayer in my heart as I reached into my purse for a business card and passed it to her. Callie immediately responded with, "You do Body Talk? Are you using oils in your practice?" My mouth might as well have dropped to the floor. First of all, it was very unusual for anyone to know what Body Talk was, but Callie had a sister that had talked a lot about how cool Body Talk was for 10 plus years. At this point, I was accustomed to only the people that knew Body Talk being ones that functional medicine doctors referred to me. Callie quickly gathered up some doTERRA pamphlets and suggested we network. I thanked her and made my way back to the car, where I said to God, "Thank you for the organizing job." And as I tossed the materials that Callie had given me on oils to the back, I said, "But I'm not doing oils." Well, apparently God had other intentions for me. Shortly after I got home, I received a call from my very first beloved Body Talk practitioner and teacher, Karen, whom I knew was now teaching essential oils classes combined with Body Talk classes from her newsletter. I hadn't heard from Karen for years, and yet she was a teacher that I highly respected. During our conversation, I asked her, after acknowledging that I had been reading her newsletters and knew what she was up to, "Do you know anything about doTERRA or doTERRA, however you say it?" Karen's response was, "You know how Body Talk creates miraculous shifts, right? Well, when you use doTERRA essential oils in your sessions, it magnifies it and the clients get faster results." And I thought to myself, I want that for my clients. When I got off the phone, I realized that there had been a series of miracles unfolding. God was sending me messengers to answer my prayers, and it was time for me to listen and follow the promptings that I was being given. Join me for part 3 to learn what happened next. The fun continues, and consider going to the description field to get the link to join in on a free essential oils class with me. Ready to embrace miracles in your life? Join me on a transformational ride. Share in the comments with the most unexpected turn your journey has taken. Click the bell icon to show your appreciation for this content and receive instant updates when I release new videos. Congratulations, you've made it through to the end. Access my freebie via the link provided in the description field, along with the link to join my free class. Take a moment to like, subscribe, and explore related videos. Your support is greatly appreciated.